Which luxury food was formerly served to prisoners as garbage? Truffles. Lobster. Caviar. Oysters. Correct answer. Lobster. What unusual thing happened to the inventor of the Frisbee after he died? Buried on the moon. Frozen in ice. Turned into a Frisbee. Eaten by a shark. Correct answer. Turned into a Frisbee. What is the only letter that does not appear in any U.S. state name? Letter Z. Letter J. Letter X. Letter Q. Correct answer. Letter Q.